bodies and lands are crying and lamenting for a rescue. But who will be our rescuer? On 27th of March 2023, the Ghana Water Company Limited bemoaned the high cost of water treatment, specifically in the Western region, as a result of the deteriorated state of our water bodies due to the activities of the illegal mining. Mr. Chairman, Nanamo, the media, guests, let us all join our hands together to liberate our lands, water bodies and forests. Let us all rise, unite and fight against this calamity and canker which is causing havoc, pandemonium and bamboozle among us. Let's fight for the future now, for if we don't, our ancestors and the Almighty God will ask us one day and will never forgive us. Thank you.